What is happening, everybody? All right, time to have a little fun at the drag strip. First one's down the track tonight. What do you know about that? Maybe a 1070. I don't think we got into the 60s. Let's see what the contraption says here. It's showing 10.6. I would say that that is optimistic, but not necessarily out of the realm of possibility. See what the ticket says. Thank you. 10655 at 127.33 miles an hour, going into a ridiculous headwind tonight. When I say ridiculous, I mean ridiculous headwind. For you 8th mile guys, it went 683 at 103 miles per hour, 103.01. And there's your ride along.